In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove parental controls from Epic Games step by step. This is helpful if you already have access to the account and want to turn off restrictions for purchases, friend requests, or content settings. If this tutorial saves you time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Then log into the account where the parental controls are currently turned on. Once you're signed in, go to the account section. You should see your account settings and security options there. Now look for parental controls and click on it. This is where Epic Games stores the restrictions that are active on the account. To continue, Epic Games will ask for your 6-digit PIN. Enter that PIN carefully because you won't be able to change anything without it. After you enter the PIN, you'll be taken into the parental control settings. From here, you can turn off restrictions for purchases if you want to allow buying games or items without limits. You can also disable restrictions for friend requests, which is useful if you want the account to freely add or accept friends. Next, review the content rating settings. If you want the account to have the widest access, change the content restrictions to unrated or everybody, depending on which option appears in the settings. Make sure you go through each available restriction one by one so nothing is left on by accident. Once you've made all your changes, save the settings if Epic Games gives you a save or confirm button. At this point, the parental controls should be removed or adjusted based on the settings you selected. If you ever want to turn them back on later, you can return to the same menu and reapply the restrictions with the PIN. So that's how to remove parental controls from Epic Games in just a few minutes. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.